Welcome to the Fox Hollow Trail, a 1.2 circuit hike off of Skyline Drive in Shenandoah National Park. This is one of the 3 track trails that are in this park. These are ones good for educating children in our simple walks. The Limberlost Trail and the Black Rock Summit Trail are the other 2 in Shenandoah, and there are other track trails across the United States. This one is marked easy, and there is only 310 feet of elevation gain, but it is steep in some areas with large natural steps. The website and brochure say no dogs, but when we got there, the sign at the trailhead said dogs have to be on a 6-foot or less tether. So just to be safe, I'd leave your pup safely at home. The trail is named for the Fox family, one of the many families whose land was absconded and or undersold to the government in the creation of Shenandoah National Park. This trail holds the remains of their family in a cemetery that you can view from the trail. We visited after a heavy ice and windstorm, and the place was wrecked. Ancient trees demolished. It looked almost otherworldly, and it was cold and silent. See the links below for the Shenandoah National Park main page, and there's also a link to the PDF of the Dickey Ridge Area Road and Trail System. We've also included a link to a Virginia Living article about the mostly unfair acquisition of private property for public use from the federal government, and the link to the trust who financially backs some maintenance and trail programs if you would like to donate. Lastly, we've included a link to Kids in Parks, a website intended to get children out in nature through a network of family-friendly trails and other outdoor adventures. Kids can apparently win prizes, so yeah. And if you feel so inclined, please click the like button if you enjoyed exploring with us here at VR Virtual Studio.